Next is the enum. Enum is you can call as a enumerator or the enumeration. Enum is a one of the enum is one of the method of putting a name to a constant or integers. So that means we in the sometimes the replacement of integer constants by some meaningful and disruptive names. So we need some meaningful names to our integer constants. So for that reason, we will use enum, and enum will save our the continuous numbers. Suppose I will store January is the 1, then February is 2nd. Like this way, continuous manner, our number will store integer. At that time, we will use enum. Using enum, you can save much memory. So for that reason, we are using the enum. So I will write like this way. And one more thing, enumerator always by default start from the 0. I will write like this way, code here enum. Suppose I write like this way, false, then true. So false, that means it's 0, and true, that means it's 1. Then enum, suppose I like this way, Monday is equal to 1, then Tuesday, then Wednesday. Printf percentage d slash n dash false dash true. Printf percentage d slash n comma Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What will be my output here? My output is 0 and 1 because enum by default starting with the 0. Here I want to start from 1, that means I have assigned 1, so rest of all will be 2, 3, like this way, continuous manner. So Monday will 1, 2, 3. Here the my output. Understood this? Suppose I will write false is equal to -1. Then my output is -1 and true will be 0. Here 1, then suppose here I will write 10. Then what will be my output of Wednesday? Sorry. What will be my output of Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday?
1, 10, 11.
Yes, exactly. 1, 10, 11. But here, suppose I will do false plus plus. This is not possible. L value required error. Because in a number you cannot able to increment by year from here. It will be fixed number whenever you have assigned here. You cannot able to change from in your program. You can give here tag name also. Suppose I will give here enum day of Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, so Wednesday, like this way. Just give me 1 second. Then you can give one similar way the structure and union that name also. So I will write in the form of structure and union. Monday is equal to 1. Then no need to write here. So like this way, I can write at the last semicolon. I can write after the before that day 1, day 2. D1 is equal to Tuesday. Then printf D1. What will be my D1?
Two.
Total, yes, 1, right. Sorry, it's 2. Monday is starting from 1.
Yes.
So like this way you can also write. So D1 is the data type of the enum type of day, and you can assign the data. You can assign any data. There is no rule you have to assign Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday only. You can assign the data like this way also. Suppose I will enter here printf, enter the value of D2, then scanf, percentage D, address of D2, then printf here D1 is equal to, and here my D2 was 10, then D2 is 10. So like this way you can use the enum you can use by default by the name also. If you will not write any assign any value here, so it will starting from the 0. If you will assign a value here, it will starting from there and next number will continues from there. Suppose here I will assign the 11 data, then Wednesday will be the 12, so the next number will be continuous of previous number. So like this way enum are used. So whenever in program you want to use the Monday, you can write MON, so it will directly take from the year, and MON will be that value will be taking from here. This is the very important concept enum we are generally using. It's not much hard, but you need to know and you will use this.